Hey Capricorn, Stef here, Evening Skies Reflections. How's everyone doing today? Hope everybody's okay. Um, Please take what resonates, leave the rest. We're just gonna go with the flow. But in your energy, I did feel like you were doing some um, deep trauma healing, is what I want to say, or deep healing. Um, so something made me get, spirit may had me get the healing water oracle out for you. Just because I feel like there's so much healing that you are going through right now, so much yeah, so much healing that you're dealing with inside. And that healing that you are going through right now is going to help you set healthy boundaries with people and situations, and what's not good for you and what's good for you. Okay, Capricorn? Now we're going to just go with the flow. Whatever Spirit wants you to know, it's going to come out. This is not written in stone. You always have free will. Choices are yours that you make. And again, take what resonates. If it doesn't resonate with you, then it's not meant for you, probably. So we're going to get on with this and see what's going on with Capricorn Spirit, angels, guides. Okay, Capricorn. What does Capricorn need to know what's going on with this healing that they're going through right now? I'm feeling some of you have been doing some earthing, like going outside barefooted in the rain and just feeling the ground under your feet. I feel like some of you have really been feeling the energy of trees, is what I'm seeing. You're walking by and you're just brushing your fingers along a tree or a bush. That's good. That helps you ground. I'm also seeing a swan. I don't know if that means anything to any of you. Maybe there's a place near you where swans live. This is not going to be for everybody. I'm just saying what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a rainbow. Could be from a past loved one. A sign, maybe. The swan, the rainbow. I don't know. Okay, what do we got here? She who flows. And I just said we were just going to go with the flow. Thanks, Spirit. Ease, being open to change. Go with the flow of life. So instead, Spirit is saying, just go with it. Let me raise this up so maybe you can see the card better. No, I gotta one day get a camera that really focuses on the cards. I've tried every level on this camera to have a good picture, but it's just not quality camera, so it is what it is. Go with the flow. So Capricorn, she who flows, instead of I'm not looking in the book, but what I'm feeling is, instead of going against it, going against the current, go with the current. Just flow. Just float. Float. What is that saying? Don't worry about tomorrow's worries. Something I don't remember the saying, but tomorrow's worries will still be there tomorrow. You know what I mean? Wow, 3. See? Isle of Avalon. Healing, returning to wholeness, and transformation. There you go. That's what I was feeling. The energy I was feeling for you. Flowing. Transformation. Returning to yourself. Making healthy boundaries, healthy decisions. And then we got Encol. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Healer, seer, priest, SX, soul purpose. Some of you are coming into finding out what your soul's purpose is. Whatever stage in the journey you're in, some of you are realizing, wow, this keeps happening. Maybe this is my soul's purpose. That's what I'm thinking with some of you. And then you got Atlantis. Keep the big vision. Stay in alignment as you grow. Stay in alignment as you grow. And that's exactly what I was saying, that when I was seeing you earthing barefoot outside in the rain, walking by, just putting your hands on a bush as you're walking, or a tree. So we got 2 messages here. The first 2 cards are about coming into your own. You're healing. You're accepting the healing. You're not fighting it, and you're transforming. The second message is, after doing so, or doing this process that you are going through, it's going to take you into a purpose, a contract that you signed, something that you are here for, something you're here to do, Capricorn. Keep the big vision. Stay in alignment. You have to stay grounded. You have to stay in alignment with what is fitting you. Wow. It's hard for me to see when the cards are way over there because I don't have a good setup here. Let me see something here. I'm feeling something coming. See, if you don't fight things or try to control things the way you want them to be, then you can flow through to your, I don't want to say enhancement, but your transformation, your, I know some of you are feeling this. Some of you are feeling, wow, I feel lighter. That was a lot to unload. That's what I'm feeling with you, Capricorn. But you're doing it. You know what I mean? You're doing it. And like I said, with that comes gratitude, purpose, loving yourself, healthy boundaries. I keep hearing that. Healthy boundaries. Cleansing on the bottom. Releasing the old, energetic tune-up and new beginnings. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's a tune-up. You're being prepared for this, you're being prepared for your soul's purpose. You're being, that's the best way I could say it. You're being prepared for the vision you've always had and your soul's purpose. Before you came down here, you had a vision of what you were coming here for. And of course, when we get here, we forget. And that's the journey, is moving towards, energetically moving up, raising our vibration to find our soul's purpose. That is what we're all here for. Wow. I'm going to put cleansing there. I know you can't see these cards. That's really bumming me out, because the cards are so light that it's hard to see them on this camera. Sorry about that, guys. So, what else does Capricorn need to know, Holy Spirit? What else do they need to know? It's like there's a fire been lit underneath you. And no, I didn't go into the book because it just came to me. It's like a fire has been lit underneath you and you are pushing through. I'm seeing tunnel. I'm seeing tunnels with these two cards, like pushing through. Look, another one there. You're pushing through. Let's see what's helping you. Let's see what can be what can help you. Let's see, what can help Capricorn elemental here on Earth? What can help them? What? Get through this process. Oh, my nose is itchy. Oh. Oh. Well, nothing what's come out on these. Okay, not gonna keep shuffling them. Let's try these ones. What can help Capricorn? What do they have to, what should they work on to get through this? I mean, I'm feeling like you are swimming deep inside yourself trying to figure things out, and you're making it more complicated than it needs to be. It's just what I'm feeling, sensing. Capricorn, you do have a lot of help on the other side. You have a lot of help. Whether that's, I'm feeling angelic and guides. Battle within. The greatest war you wage is against yourself. Inner conflict resolution. See? Positive change. Transform pain into strength and empower yourself. Ascend, evolution, and free. So, what I'm feeling here is, yeah, we all battle ourselves, but what I'm feeling is there's something I'm feeling that you're winning the battle. And I'm feeling that you're fighting with everything that you have. Nobody sees this. This is what you're going through in your own privacy when you're alone, Capricorn. But you're doing the work. Guess that's it for that deck. Break the chain. Break chains. There you go. The only way to uncover blocks is to confront them. Self-limiting beliefs. Break chains. The only way. This is what Spirit is saying. The only way that this battle is going to be won and you're going to get to the other side of this is by breaking the chains and positive change. Positive change while breaking the chains. Stop limiting yourself to stop limiting yourself, period. Even if it looks crazy to other people or sounds crazy, stop limiting yourself, because you know deep down inside, Capricorn, that you know deep down inside with your intuition, your discernment, you know. Look at how that flows. See how that flows? Wow. Cappy, this is you're doing it though. That's what I'm feeling. You're doing it. You're getting through it. It's just some days you feel like giving up on it, on the battle. Some days you don't want to deal with it. And that's okay to rest. It is. Look, she's resting right there. It's okay to take a break. Clean your mind. Clear your mind. Clean your mind. Clear your mind and we're only in these skin suits and they can only take so much. Mentally, physically, you name it, you know. But Capricorn, I see you doing it. I feel a little bit foggy minded. Like there's things that you haven't remembered in a long time that are coming back to you. Might be through your dreams too. This is receive. Abundance is yours. Allow yourself to receive. Allow yourself to receive. I want to, for some reason, I want to look up this card. It keeps getting my attention. Give me a second. Okay, this is interesting. I didn't know this. That's why I had to look this up. The folklore of many different places, including Iceland, France, Holland, Albania, England, and Germany, has tales about a rare event called an encul, or veiled birth. This occurs when the mother goes into labor, but her water fails to break, and the baby appears in this world still in amniotic sac, in which is gestated. According to tradition, children born in Cool have second sight and gifts of healing. In Scotland, they were seen as good omens. The fishermen sought out birth call, the anomic sac, as an amulet to protect them from drowning. In ancient Egypt, they were believed to be the future priest, priestess, and priestesses of community. This is the card of the healer, the seer, the wisdom keeper, and the mystic. Perhaps you're already on this path, or perhaps it's something new for you. The healer, the shaman, the medicine person knows that it's tough facing their own shadow and taking their own deep healing journey, that they can return to guide others in their healing. There you go. Wow. The healer is like all of us, in their own spiral of transformation and healing. Healed isn't a stagnant state. The healer knows there's not meant to be perfect, and the whole time. Instead, it's because they've journeyed to the deepest, darkest, uncharted, oceanic caves and returned with an open heart. Oh my goodness. Receive. Heart. And mind, that they are able to hold space for another. This card is an acknowledgement of your role in the world and the deep work you've been doing on your own healing journey. Ask yourself, how can you answer the call of your soul in the fullest expression today? Wow, Capricorn. That's amazing. I don't know, that had to be read because it was calling out to me. Open heart. So maybe some of you are thinking about getting into some healing, like nurses or Reiki or shamanism or whatever, transmuting your pain into something of gratitude, like sharing your light, sharing your truths. That's it, sharing your truths that you never like to do because it makes you feel vulnerable. Celebration. It's already done. Celebrate your manifestation. Another heart. Look at 2 hearts. Unbelievable. Okay. Open door on the bottom. Say yes to new opportunities. Wow. That's crazy. Just give me a second here. I gotta take a drink. Ooh. I'm hearing that song. Do you feel it? Some song. I don't know the name of it. Do you feel it? Alright. Let's see. I'm not feeling this deck. La, 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 la. Come on. Get a couple animal oracles out here for you. Animal spirits that might be working with you, or you might need to look up and see. I always find it best to, there's a book called Animal Speak by Ted Andrews, and I always like to look up the animal because it tells you their habits, what they do, you know, everything like that. It gives you more detail on the animal or the insect or the fish or whatever it may be. Okay. Spirit has your back, of course. Eagle spirit, seeing from high above. Oh my goodness, we got crow and eagle. Co-create with spirit. Spirit has your back. Look at that. They have your back. Oh my goodness, spirit has a plan. Koala spirit. Look at, spirit is all through here. All through here. Can you feel it? Wow. Where's that card at? I know I saw it here somewhere. Anyway, see the big picture. Where's the card that had the vision on it? There was a card that had vision on it. Now I can't find it. So, keep the vision. Oh, right there. Keep the big vision. Atlantis. See the big picture. Giraffe. I said this at the beginning of the reading. Set healthy boundaries. I said this is going to help you protect and set healthy boundaries. I did say that. Just because it doesn't look how you think it should look, just trust in the divine detours with the coyote spirit. If you think you're going to do this way, spirit could come in and switch it around and send you a different way, and it won't look nothing like how you thought it was going to look. Life is a mystery. There you go. Life is a mystery. Wow. Look at these first three cards though. Spirit has your back. Co-create with spirit. Spirit has a plan. And then you got the boundaries, the big picture, divine detours, and life is a mystery. We're not going to figure it all out. Wow, that was amazing. I'm going to get a couple of these whispering words, and then I'm going to call it for Capricorn. I didn't pull no tarot because I didn't feel like this was a tarot kind of reading. This was more of a insight reading, I guess you would say, or a spirit reading, or a soul's reading. feeling it doesn't want this. I don't know what it wants. It keeps tugging at me. What do you want? No, it don't want this. Wow. Made me pull that out for nothing. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. I don't know. No, that's not it either. I don't know, guys. Let's try some of these. This is really beautiful, Capricorn. I told you you had backing on the other side. Spirit's got your back. I told you you had guides and angels or something around you. Receive it and celebrate it. Harmony makes the song of life sweeter. Peace and stillness, the answer will be revealed. See? Something you're seeking an answer to. We might not always get the answers we want. We don't always get the answers we want. And secondly, there's more questions than there are answers in this world. So, I mean, it's just something that we have to live with. Destiny. Follow your instincts. They lead to the truth. I told you, follow your intuition. Something's coming out. Some truth about you. Some truth that it's going to be showed to you. You are made of stardust, so keep sparkling, shine. And I'll get one more. That's what I feel. One more. Maybe not. Oh, shoot. Okay, we got channel. You're a channel through which healing energy reaches the world. There you go, right there. Healer, seeker, channel. Some of you might be picking up on some mediumship. Your vibration is being raised to a higher level. You are connected to cosmic intelligence. Cosmic intelligence. Meditation. To see more clearly, close your eyes. Do some breath work. And self-love. You can only love others as much as you love yourself. And that's what I got for you, Capricorn. This is amazing. I love it. I love the energy here. I love it. You got this. Remember, Spirit's got your back. That's going to be the title. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this resonated with some of you. We just went with the flow, and this is what came out for you, Capricorn. Yeah. Kudos to you. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, because that helps my channel grow faster. If you please can just hit the thumbs up. And I thank you guys so much. And I will see you again. See you later. Bye.